Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another video. So today I will be showing you guys how I created this look. Yes, my birthday dress.
Look at them shoes. Yeah, work it, baby.
And sis, if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Come and join the fam. But yes, I will be showing y'all how I got this look. Let me know what y'all think. I absolutely love it. Hey babe, so we're gonna get right into it. This is the fabric. I picked it up at New Rainbow Fabric in Chicago. They have a lot of different fabric. I absolutely love this. It does have a little stretch to it, but we're gonna jump right into it, sis. And right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the bottom. And y'all, me and my best friend was chilling. She was here when I was making the dress. Listen at this next clip right here, y'all. What?
I'll be thick than a motherfucker Tuesday.
Ah, that's what you said.
Oh no.
Look, that's what you said, girl. Y'all, she too funny. But so now we're just gonna cut up the sides. Once I get up to the top, I'm gonna cut like straight across so we can have enough space when it's time for us to sew on our straps. And then I'm just cut down like so, and then kind of follow the little cut because I wanted it to be a little low. So now that we got that cut out, I'm just going to do the flip over method and make sure I'm lining it up right in the middle. And then we just going to go ahead and cut that out. Okay, sis, so this is what yours should look like. Super cute, y'all. I just love this fabric. So I kind of like put everything on top of each other so I can get that same bottom piece for the back. And as you can see, I'm just literally cutting up the sides. And then right here, I am going to kind of cut under and just kind of look back and forth to see where I needed to cut. So now we're just going to cut straight across. I'm just using this tape measure. You really don't need it, but I'm using it to be a little accurate. Now I'm going to use the top of this dress and see if it's like the same width across, and it kind of sort of was, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut that out. And this is what yours should look like. So I went ahead and measured like around my neck for the strap that I'm going to use. So it was about 22 inches. So I'm just going to be cutting out like about an inch or a half for the strap. So for the dress, you should have 3 different pieces, and I am going to go ahead and pin them. This is what it should look like. So let's start sewing. First things first is we're going to do the strap for around the neck, and I literally folded both to the right sides, and we literally just going to sew down. I'm going to go in with my loop turner and turn it. And y'all know I have to do a little dance, but now I'm going to go ahead and sew up the sides of the dress like so. this is what it's looking like. Y'all know I did both sides. So now I'm going to put elastic band around the back, the top of the back, so it can fit better. And I went ahead and tried the dress on, and this is the pins I put in so I can know where I want it to fit. And I'm just gonna go around here and do the same thing on the other side. And now I am doing the hemming at the bottom of the dress. Alright, so this is our strap, and that's the other strap. I made an extra strap, y'all, because it wasn't fitting right, so I had to make it fit tighter at the top. So now we're going to take the strap and we just literally going to sew back and forth. I like to do that so it can be secure. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Now I'm going to go right here where you see the little pointed edge parts, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. And this is how it's looking. Absolutely love the little scrunchy look. Like, yes, come through. Super cute. I wanted something plain and simple. Okay, so y'all, this is the jacket. I got this from the thrift store for $4.70. And y'all, I could not find anything online. This is, I believe, an extra large. Oh, get it, girl. Okay, but no. So yeah, I couldn't find nothing online, but I tucked in like where the buttons was. Right now I'm making a belt. I think it was about 42 inches or something like that, but I think I'll let y'all know later. So I decided to tuck up the sleeve to give it like a little puffy look at the bottom. I'm finna show y'all in 1 second. You get it. Y'all get it. The girls that get it, get it. The ones who don't. Yeah. So I went ahead and put some pins in it so it can hold. And like I said, I tucked the collar and I tucked the sides of the button parts. It was about 40 to 42 depending on how long you want yours. I didn't want mine too long, so this is what it's looking like. And we're going to do the same thing, fold it in half and just sew down. So I'm going to use my loop turner to turn it to the right side. I showed y'all this like 1,000 times. I'm gonna really stop recording this part, but I be doing it for my new subscribers because I love all of y'all so much. But this is how it's looking. So now I'm just gonna take the edge part of the strap and we just gonna sew back and forth so it can be secure and not come apart or nothing. Ooh, this is so pretty. So this is what it's looking like. Now y'all, I am going to be cutting like 2 little small pieces for like the loop holders for the belt. We're gonna be using the same technique that we've been using for everything else. So fold it and sew down. So this is what they should look like. And now I'm going to show y'all. I just put this little piece right here so I can know where to sew it. So I am doing it like this first, and we're going to go back and forth on this piece, and then we're going to fold it over and then do the same thing on that side. But I don't think I recorded the next part, so yeah. Okay, so this is what the loops look like attached to the jacket. Cute, y'all. This glitter was everywhere, but I was okay with it because it was too cute. Oh my god. I really snapped on this. Okay, so y'all, now what we doing is just sewing down where I fold like the button part and the collar part. And I was cutting the buttons off as I went. But yeah, that's literally all we doing, just sewing around it. And for the sleeves, y'all, I literally just put a small little stitch on each side for it can like stay up. But I wasn't able to record it because I think my battery had died or my storage was full, one of the two. But this is what the thread is looking like that I just did. It's just like, this is the final look.
Ooh, damn.
Sis, it was my man for me.
Ooh. Ooh, that's dope. Ooh.